Hey there! Thanks for stopping by. Let's dive into something amazing together. Welcome to Next Gen EduBuddies. Don't forget to hit those buttons below to stay connected. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's keep exploring together. Welcome to our colorful world of shapes, where we'll explore the fascinating concept of volume. Volume is the amount of space an object occupies. Here we have a cube and a sphere, two different shapes, but both perfect for understanding volume. Volume isn't just for cubes or spheres, it applies to all shapes, no matter how simple or complex. By lighting up each edge, we see how volume is calculated using the formula. Length, Cheng2. Width, Cheng2. Height. Watch as water fills this glass. Its volume is the space the water takes up. Now, let's pour it into a bigger jug and see what happens. As we pour the water into the larger jug, the volume it occupies changes shape, but the amount of water stays exactly the same. When you transfer water from a glass to a larger jug, its shape changes, but the quantity of water stays exactly the same. Volume changes, but the amount stays the same. Watch this balloon as it slowly expands. Its volume grows as air fills the space inside. Volume can change. Take this balloon. When we blow air into it, its size grows, and so do the numbers showing its increasing volume. The balloon's swelling shape shows us volume in action, changing and growing right before our eyes. Here's a solid cube and a hollow box, same size, same volume, but very different inside. Volume measures the space an object takes up, not its weight or mass. Remember, volume equals space, not weight. So, even though this hollow box and solid cube weigh very differently, they share the same volume because they take up the same space. Watch as this swimming pool fills up. Measuring its volume helps us know exactly how much water it can hold. As the water rises, volume measurements appear, showing us just how much space the water takes up. For large volumes like this, we often use liters or gallons to measure how much liquid an object can hold. So, volume is simply the space something takes up, whether it's a tiny cube or a huge swimming pool. Volume helps us understand the space things occupy, whether we're measuring liquids, solids, or even gases. Thanks for watching. See you next time for more lessons to learn. Keep exploring science. There's always more to discover. Keep exploring science. Thanks for joining the community. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to click subscribe and join the family. There's so much more coming your way. Subscribe now and never miss out on the fun.